Hey guys, it's Aaron. Welcome back to the ranch. May or may not be an actual banana in my pocket, but I'm definitely happy to see you. It is July 4th, Independence Day, and I have a ton of stuff to do. Beth is still asleep. We finally got a patio table, like for real, and some chairs I've got to put together. I need to do some mowing. I got a mister set from Amazon that I want to hang up out here and see how it works. So I thought we'd do like more of a kind of like a chronicle of our day today. I think it's already about 9:30. Beth's still asleep, which she's on new medication. Her sleep schedule's all messed up. Ooh, close one. I try not to curse in these. We were talking about having a family over, but we didn't know if we were gonna have seating and stuff for everybody, and now that we do, I think they've already made plans. So we're gonna do a little cooking out later. I'm gonna grill some hamburgers and hot dogs, make some home fries, and I think this will be more of a vlog than anything. So it's just kind of be, what we're up to today. Of course, it won't go online for another 4 or 5 days. So yeah, I'm gonna get started. Look who I found. Good morning.
Good morning.
Happy Independence Day.
Thank you.
Yeah. Would you like to ride the zero turn today?
Sure.
Really?
Sure.
Oh, are you actually going to mow?
Sure.
This is what I get when she wakes up. Sure to everything. All right, I got my mowing done. Got another cup of coffee, had a bagel. If you guys watched Beth's Fly Life, you might recognize this mug. She brought it back from Manchester for me. And this one and the little one she got from Paris are my 2 favorite coffee mugs now. So what I'm gonna do, I'm probably just gonna use that camera. Probably just turn that one on, start and stop it, and then speed it all up. So I'm gonna do the table. Once I get all that put together, I'll get out the mister and kind of show you what it looks like. We looked at the ones at the big box stores, and we got one on Amazon for the same price, but it was like 2 or 3 times longer. So we'll go over that stuff in a minute. bet you $1 Beth comes out here and either mentions that some are going this way, some are going that way, or she just starts changing them. So I filled up the other memory card. I'm about done with this anyway. Literally dripping with sweat. I got the table put together. All I've really got to do now is take the protective covering off the other 3 chairs and then put the cushions on. So there's the aftermath. And there's the finished product. The other memory card filled up before Beth came out and noticed that the tiles were going different directions. But she can fix that if she wants. We got the swivelers and then the regular ones. I guess it's pretty decent. We were looking at it a couple months ago and we went the other night and it was on sale for like $250 off or something. It wouldn't fit in my SUV, so I took Beth's truck to work yesterday and got it on the way home. And now we have matching patio furniture. We still don't have a dining room table. So I think I'm gonna wait on the mister. It's already almost 4 and I still have to clean up and I need to chill, man. I've been sweating since about 9:30 this morning, so I'm gonna take it easy. I'm gonna take a break. Beth's finishing up her nameplate orders. She got a new laptop and it been blue screening, and I don't know what I did, but today's the first day that it's actually been usable. So we'll pick it back up in a bit when we start the home fries and the burgers and the hot dogs and stuff like that. I got a bunch of potato wedges or strips or something. Unfortunately, we don't have fireworks. When I was coming home yesterday, I didn't feel like stopping at all the super crowded places because I'd been running around. I was all sweaty. I just wanted to come home. The neighbors should have some. They've been shooting them off the last 7 nights or something like that. So I don't see why they wouldn't have any tonight unless they used them all. So I was thinking, since we don't have fireworks, maybe we'll drag the canoe down to the pond and recreate the Boston Tea Party. Not really, I'm not going to do that, but I am about to fire up this fryer. I use this thing, right? It's a Fry Daddy. Fry Daddy? Fry Daddy? I tried it in the air fryer. Didn't work worth a damn. But that thing, I can't aim this camera. That thing with some vegetable oil, that will get the job done. Pete, I need you to be somewhere else. I know you like to lounge on this thing, but I'm gonna start cooking fries. I don't want oil to splash on you. I don't want to fry the cat. 5-second rule. Oh, I might be able to do half and half. We're about to find out if the oil is hot enough. Yes.
Really? You break off a piece to see if the oil's hot enough. You don't put them all in there.
Well, it's working. That's all that matters. Hammock life. I usually bring a fork for these. You can get them out if you're careful. You don't want to touch that metal at all. There we go. Bam! Dripping oil everywhere. It's time for the taste test. That's what I'm talking about. I probably should bring some salt out. I can salt them a little bit.
Did they or did they not say mechanically separated?
Oh, I don't know. I didn't read that. You must have.
I did not yet.
Well, are they supposed to say mechanically separated or no?
No.
Then they didn't say that.
Oh.
Who's hollering over there?
Pete? What do you have in your mouth? What's fighting back? You caught a cicada. I think. Yeah, you caught a cicada. Good boy, I guess. So I guess while he's cooking home fries, I'll go feed the llamas since they look hungry. They look real hungry. You're running? She's ready. She's ready to eat. It's finally cooling off a little bit. It's been so hot today. I've been doing little chores and things, and I have to like go inside to take a break every so often. You know, if you let me put fly stuff on you, you wouldn't have that problem. But no, you won't let nobody touch you. Lola, you are looking especially pretty today. Especially pretty. Especially. You get some apple treats. These apple treats are for Abe. Abe will run away as soon as I get near him. There you go, buddy. I'm gonna steal one of his treats. Because right over there, there's a little bunny that lives here. And I think what the bunny does is it gets all the alfalfa stuff that the llamas drop. You see him right there? It's right there. So I'm gonna throw him a treat and he'll probably run. He don't care about no apple treats. It's cute though. Look at that little mushroom. That mushroom. Lola, you like mushrooms? Yeah? You say so.
He caught one of the 7,000 cicadas that we have here, huh?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. I guess that's better than nothing. recording yourself swinging. Don't smile. Ah, you're gonna ruin it.
I am not much of a drinker anymore, but this stuff is good. Over the barrel cream soda, malt beverage specialty. You told me if I do stuff today to record it.
Yep.
So I'm doing it.
Thank you for complying at 7 p.m.
Babe, I need my spoon. What'd I do with my spoon?
Is it over here in the other thing? It's not on the table, I don't know. It's on the other table. Dinner will be ready as soon as I pull up the fries. Why are they already popping firecrackers?
Do you not remember being a child?
But it's not dark. You can't even see
Those
the
sound like
spark.
black cats, which means they don't do anything with the light anyway. Don't be a grumpy old man.
I'm not. I'm just saying, why don't they wait until dark? Why is Lola at the fence?
'Cause she loves me?
Is that why?
These are my ears for Lola. They communicate with their ears. Marika!
I forgot to show off my shirt. Does it meet your satisfaction?
Yes.
Did you even try anything but the fries?
No.
Good enough for me.
Good.
Beth. Should put a plate in front of them.
I should.
That would be funny. Eating his cheese.
Eating his cheese. He was going to jump down until he saw Yumi down there and he's like, nope. You're so handsome. I don't have any more. How are things? How are things?
Good. How are you?
Good.
You have someone encroaching.
He's not, don't call him an encroacher.
That's what he is.
He's
That's
not.
what he does.
No.
Yeah.
No. He's a, they don't know what he is.
Handsome has nothing to do with
Yes,
it.
he's so handsome.
But he's still an encroacher.
I don't think you're an encroacher, buddy.
So Beth has never shot a rifle or a pistol. What better day than Independence Day to do such a thing? Huh? What's gonna work then?
Not you trying to guilt me on YouTube.
I'm not guilting you. I'm just saying today is the perfect day to do so.
Perfect day is never.
So how many YouTube comments would it take?
On one video?
Just cumulative.
That's not.
Give me a number. Give me a number.
Cumulative. That's not like you can't look that up anywhere.
Well, I can count them. How many?
It doesn't matter. It's not happening. I'm not shooting a gun. My mama didn't get me to shoot a gun. My husband didn't get me to shoot a gun. Nobody's getting me to shoot a gun.
You might want to pick a different accent.
Why?
Because you sound like you should be shooting a gun. Everybody leave a comment if you want to see Beth shoot a gun. At some point, maybe we'll be able to make it happen. I got a couple of new ones. I'm gonna go shoot. I'm not gonna record it.
I need you to like stand with the gun
Are you gonna...
in the America shirt. What?
You gonna frisk me?
No.
Like
But I can't see America. Wait, do it higher.
How about this? Is it even light enough?
Yeah. Yeah.
These
Stay-
are my new guns. I got this one, and this one came free.
Are you smelling the gun?
You know,
Does it smell like
I
freedom?
fixed my mustache. It actually doesn't smell like anything because it hasn't been fired, except for the one round they do at the factory so they can like map it for ballistics.
Oh.
So since this is registered to me, if it ever gets stolen and somebody uses it in a homicide, it'll be in the gun database as my weapon. So I have to report it as stolen as soon as I find out.
Huh.
No, but this one, I bought this one. It's a little Taurus 9, and I got a .22 rifle for free. $150 value.
Nice.
Academy has deals like that all the time. My dad, when he was over for Memorial Day, he got a revolver, a .22 revolver, free with the purchase of a weapon similar to this one. So I'm gonna go make some noise.
Hashcat. Okay, go make some noise.
You can come with me if you want.
No.
Leave a comment if you want Beth to shoot a gun, guys.
I just don't like guns. I don't mind when other people like guns or have guns, obviously, but every time I hold one, the weight of it freaks me out. Like, they're so heavy, and I just don't like the responsibility, I think, of knowing that I could kill someone with what's in my hand. Scary. I was about to say, he told me it wasn't loaded. I thought he was gonna bust it out, but he just loaded it. Okay. I thought he lied to me there for a second. Oh, that's loud. Holy crap. He wanted me to shoot that thing? No way in HE double hockey sticks. No. No, 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 no. Babe, if you could see the expression on my face right now. He can't hear me. You cannot pay me to shoot that or even hold that.
Did you have a good day?
I did.
Me too. So I want to just say very quickly, thank you to everybody who came from Beth's Fly Life over here. We know it's drastically different types of videos, mostly me so far. Beth's working on some stuff though. But we just wanted to say thanks for making the jump with us over here.
Yes.
We've got a bunch of more stuff to do. I mean, we got a lot more living to do, so happy Independence Day, America.
Happy 4th of July. Love you.
Peace
Bye.
out, guys.